So today I'm going around to a few open houses in St. Cloud, Florida, and I'm going to show you what's hot, what's not. Let's get into it. First stop today, this updated 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in St. Cloud, Florida. Right away, you'll notice a brand new roof from 2023 and energy efficient windows, keeping things cool and modern. Inside, the fresh flooring and open layout make this home feel bright and welcoming. The kitchen is the real highlight. Brand new cabinets and stone countertops ready for entertaining. The bedrooms are spacious and flexible, perfect for a growing family. The remodeled guest bathroom, finished in 2022, adds a modern touch. And the new AC system from 2019 keeps the whole house comfortable year-round. Now outside is where this home shines. A heated saltwater pool with a screened enclosure and a 34-foot covered lanai is perfect for year-round enjoyment. You also get a concrete parking pad, a workshop-ready shed with electric and water, and a fully fenced backyard with a wide entrance gate. This home's got it all. Now on to the second stop on our tour. A charming 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the vibrant 55-plus community of Harmony. Right when you step inside, you're greeted by a cozy dining room, perfect for intimate meals. The kitchen is beautifully appointed with quartz countertops, an island with extra seating, and a large pantry for easy storage. In the great room, you'll love the accent wall and the private view out of the screened lanai. No rear neighbors, just peace and quiet. The owner's suite is spacious with a dual sink bathroom and a custom walk-in closet, complete with a makeup desk. Living in Harmony gives you access to boating, an 18-hole golf course, a pool, and more, all with lawn care included. Our next stop is this exceptional smart home. Located in a rapidly growing area, you're just minutes away from Lake Nona Medical Center and within a district of top-rated schools. Featuring 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 modern bathrooms, perfect for your family's needs. Each bedroom is designed with comfort and style in mind, providing ample space for everyone to thrive. The open concept living area is perfect for entertaining, adorned with contemporary finishes and flooded with natural light. Step into the heart of the home, a stunning kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, sleek quartz countertops, and top-of-the-line appliances, making it a chef's paradise. Step outside to your private backyard oasis, backing into a serene conservation area, an ideal spot for relaxing and enjoying nature. Welcome to Stevens Plantation. This beautifully renovated gem is nestled in the serene neighborhood of St. Cloud. With a brand new roof, water heater, LED recessed lighting, and a whole house water filter system, every detail has been thoroughly considered. This exquisite 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home has been meticulously updated from top to bottom, blending modern elegance with unparalleled comfort. With 5 generously sized bedrooms and plenty of extra space throughout, this home is perfect for families and guests, ensuring everyone has their own area to relax and unwind. The heart of the home boasts quartz countertops, refinished cabinets, top-of-the-line appliances, and stylish light fixtures, a chef's dream come true. Step outside to your private oasis, featuring a screened-in heated pool with breathtaking pond views, a gated backyard, and a 12 by 20 metal roof gazebo. perfect for entertaining or unwinding. Move in with confidence, knowing this home is impeccably maintained and ready for you. Plus, the HOA includes cable and internet. Welcome to this exquisite presidential home in the prestigious Pine Lake Estates, where elegance meets comfort, all set against a backdrop of a grand U-shaped driveway that makes a striking first impression. Inside, you'll find unique architectural details and charming antique finishes that have been lovingly preserved, maintaining the home's timeless elegance. Enjoy the benefits of a converted garage, providing additional living space or a versatile area for your needs. This stunning residence features 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, providing ample space for family and guests. The property features a large backyard, perfect for outdoor gatherings, recreation activities, or simply enjoying the serene surroundings. Don't miss this opportunity to own an exceptional property in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in St. Cloud. Thank you for joining me on this tour. If you're looking for more information or to schedule a private showing, feel free to give me a call or send an email, and we'll make it happen.